turn the lights out. Tell me who the fuck you wanna be.
Can I? Baby?
Hey there?
Tail works better, buddy.
Can't drive your boat. Maxwell.
What are you gonna do? It's not plugged in much. Let's see if she remembers to plug it in.
Why doesn't it work? Oh. Maxwell, this is not funny. How do I do this?
Let me drive the boat. You have to pick it up before it gets to shore.
I can't.
Turn it off.
How do I turn it off? Maxwell! 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 What did I do?
Turn it off.
I don't. What did I do?
You gotta fix it. You probably put a hole in my boat. You owe me a new boat. You gotta take it out, push it way out there again.
No!
Pick it up. You fold the handle down, that handle.
Okay, now grab my hand, damn it. Now hold the boat. You grab me. The boat.
When you find the drive that you lost,
No way. Come on, girl. All right, up here. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. I hear you. You know you got to work for your food. Come on. Come on. Get up here. Come on. Come on. Get up here. Now, who's a good girl? Who's a good girl?
Sininya lagi nak? Ika. Oh.
He just went in the water, Earl.
I think so, but it's not going to close. Was it open when you clicked on it? I'm clicking close, buddy. It's not going to close, though.
about to leave the boat ramp and I heard a big crack. Looks like that's what happened. Uh-oh.
I dropped it, I really truly dropped it. It hit the floor and made a mess, I really truly dropped it.
Where's Steven?
Right there.